Guys, finally I've entered the Balewadi Stadium and it's a super track. As you can see, I can ride here. There is no checkpoint, there is nothing. It is amazing. I mean, although I just have MTB cycle, but still I can ride. I can pretty much ride. So this is now my go-to regular track. I've tried cycling everywhere, ARAI, Dukkarken, even road cycling, and it's dangerous. There are dogs and there are motor cars, and especially at night it's very dangerous. So I'm sure here there are no floodlights, but it's definitely safe. I mean, if I just put some floodlights on my cycle, I should be able to ride around. So finally I found that place where it is good, for all kinds of cyclists, like BMX. You can see, you can just do a little bit of BMX here and there. And definitely, I mean, although it's MTB cycle, I can pace. So finally it's a win for me. And that's my birth date, 9th, lucky number. So I've been predicting all the dangers, like accidents on the street, drunken people, dogs, other kind of people, no light. So I tried hard. I'm originally a mountain biker. I have like 3-4 mountains. You can't ride after dark. So although I've tried cycling at ARA after dark, it's still a bit dangerous. And definitely, like, on the road, it would just 3 years ago it was okay. I mean, you can still do road cycling here and there, but you need to be vigilant constantly. There's always some threat. So if you see this place, I'm like very excited. So I'm going to step down and just show you around. Yeah, so if you see, there's this gap you can ride on, and it's all around. I mean, this you can try a bit, but like, I'm now a medium level rider. My friends can definitely go up and do all this stuff, but it's good for keep pacing around, so you don't have to stop or look for any traffic. So even the lanes inside, you have to look for dogs and traffic, bit of people walking here and there. So this place is completely guarded, and definitely I can come in the daytime, because at night definitely I may not be able to cycle, but during daytime. So if you see, there's a passage, so this will lead you to the outside of the stadium. So it's quite neat, it's clean, there are no dogs, there are no other people, it's just very cool. So this is the entrance and exit. You can just come in, and this is the rest area. So it's pretty cool. I finally, so initially I thought this place is closed, or so I think back in the day there were wooden planks, and for that you need a different cycle. So yeah, so my current MTB cycle, I can just keep riding. So this is amazing, man. This is you can just keep riding. Okay, man. Cheers.